Welcome to TVAlertsManager, the smart browser extension that allows you to save, edit, and load hundreds of TradingView alerts directly from Google Sheets. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install TVAlertsManager, activate your account, and get started in just a few minutes. To begin, open your preferred browser and head over to install.tvalertsmanager.com. This is the official installer page. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button, or if you're using another browser, follow the install option available for your browser type. Once installed, you'll notice the TVAlertsManager icon appear in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. Click this icon to begin setup. Now enter your email address to sign in or create your TVAlertsManager account. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from TVAlertsManager. Open the email and click the verification link inside. Once verified, your account is active and TVAlertsManager is ready to go. You can now start saving and editing your TradingView alerts directly from Google Sheets. Fast, easy, and fully synced. For more detailed setup help, or to explore advanced features, check out our online guides at guide.tvalertsmanager.com. Thanks for watching. Install TVAlertsManager today and stay in control of your alerts wherever you are.